Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce to you an insulation resistance tester. This side is a wiring diagram, then here is a wiring terminal. This side is a display screen. Here is a charging port USB port. Then here is a step test button. This is a step test button. This is an absorption ratio. Polarization index test. Then here is a gear selection. This is a test button. Today we can turn it on and take a look. This side measures the voltage, and here you can set the voltage yourself. Measuring our insulation resistance. Automatic setting. Then here is the gear 50 volts and 250 volts. Choose the appropriate gear according to our needs. You can see the 500 volt one here. It's a test range. If you want to know more, you can read the operation guide. Then it shows the voltage and current. And test the resistor. Then it will. If we need it, we can check it. Consult that. Absorption ratio. And capacitance can also be tested. Now we use a 100 ohm resistor to test a resistor. We connect the coil into the color, red and black, and connect them to the resistor's ends. We can't touch here during a test to prevent high voltage from hurting people. Then we select the 500 gear and click test. We have measured the resistance. We can stop. 100 megohms is very accurate. Okay, our instrument introduction is complete. Thank you.